This video is for entertainment and education purposes only. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks you!
So, thank you that you come and we will starting. Today, we will work in with mobility. So, we will open our hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, open, push, more, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, slowly take our back and work and increase up. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we'll working. We'll take our legs like this, pushing our body more up to the floor. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one, 5, and keep stay in this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Slowly take a leg here and change side and push our elbow in our knees and work with back side. So 1, 2, 3. Good work. Let's change this side. So let's sit. Take strong leg and slowly start stretching to our leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take more this side and go here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and change. Take feet and pushing. So 1, 2, 3,